Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to show you secret window hack to clean your PC automatically without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about window trick. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to simply come down below right there. Right click on your start menu, and this is going to pop up. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings. So click on settings. It's load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to system. It's pop up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to your storage, and it's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here. Make sure this button is turned off. It's as simple as that. So with that, your system will be cleaned up automatically, free of storage in your PC without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.